Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open the Google Pay app and tap Rewards on the home screen. Do this first to access cashback, points, and offer details quickly. Sign in with the same Google account you use for payments. Your rewards card shows a balance at the top and active offers below it. Tap the rewards card to view your current balance and available offers. Scrolling reveals earned rewards, pending amounts, and the date each reward posted. Keep the app updated to see the most recent rewards and accurate balance information. Select an available offer and follow the redemption steps shown. Each offer explains eligibility, whether activation is required, and qualifying purchases. Redeem cashback to your Google Pay balance or apply it directly to eligible purchases at checkout. Some redemptions require a minimum of or a specific merchant purchase to trigger the reward. If a reward posts as pending, allow up to 24 hours for the amount to appear in your balance. For transfer to a bank, follow the app prompts and confirm your link. Check each offer for its expiration date before redeeming to avoid losing value. Read the offer terms to see if rewards cannot be stacked with other promotions. Enable device lock and app authentication to protect your rewards from unauthorized use. Review pending transactions and receipts within the app to confirm qualifying purchases. If you expect a large reward, check whether Google issues a Form 1099 for tax reporting in your country or state. Contact Google Pay support through the app if a reward fails to post after the expected period.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.